so let's do some naming, and I've just did number 1 to help us along first of all. The first thing that you do is you find the longest continuous chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the longest is 5, and so I've highlighted it straight across there. Next thing you do is you identify, are there any branches? So you can see here, there is one methyl branch. Then you have to decide which side has got a higher priority. And so what you do is you see which side the methyl group is closest to. So at the minute, the methyl group is right in the centre on carbon number 3, either way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so therefore it is on the third carbon either way, and it doesn't really matter what side you have counted from or prioritised. So I just did the left-hand side. So because of this, this molecule is called 3-methyl pent, and then because it's an alkane, pentane. Okay, so let's do the second one together then. So first things first, how many carbons does it have in its longest continuous chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So straight along the middle is the longest continuous carbon chain. So I'm just going to highlight that quickly. Then we're going to identify, are there any branches? And there are. There's one branch here and one branch here. And remember, anything is a branch that comes off the main carbon chain. What type of branches are they? Well, they are actually both the same type of branch. They are both methyl branches. Okay, that's fine. Now, which side has got highest priority? Well, these branches are much closer to, well, not much, but they are closer to the right-hand side. So counting starts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now both of these branches require a number. So what number do they start on? Well, they're both on carbon number 3, and because they're both the same type of branch, we're going to group them together with di. So this molecule's name starts with 3, 3 dimethyl. So 3, 3 because they're both on the third carbon, dimethyl because there's 2 methyl groups. It has got 6 carbons, so it's called hex, and because it's an alkane, it will end in ane. So this is 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. Okay, third one then. Again, longest continuous carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the longest is 7. So I'm just going to go through the centre. Does it have any branches? Yes, it does. One here and one here. Okay. Are these branches the same type of branch? No, they're not. Okay. So next, what side's got higher priority? Well, they're both closer to the left-hand side, so we're going to prioritise from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now, because these branches are not the same type of branch, we then have to ask ourselves, are the branches on the same carbon? Well, no. One's on the second carbon and one's on the third carbon. So what you do is you start to name depending on the carbon chain and where they actually come. So the first one is a methyl group, so it's going to start, the name is going to start 2 methyl, and then 3, and then this is an ethyl group, 3 ethyl, and then the longest chain is 7, so hept, ane, heptane, because it's an alkene. Number 4 then, longest continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 it is. Does it have any branches? Yes, it does. It has an ethyl branch and a methyl branch. And you know that by the number of carbons they have. What side are these branches closest to? Well, they're equidistant to both, so I'm just going to number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, Unlike number 3, both of these branches, even though they're different, are on the same carbon, and therefore they must be alphabetized. They both get a number to start with because every single chain or every single branch must have its own number. So 3, 3 because they're both in the same carbon. And then the difference between methyl and ethyl, you put them alphabetically. So it's going to be ethyl, methyl. So 3, 3, ethyl, methyl. The longest continuous chain is 5, which is pent, and then ane to end because it's an alkane. Okay, and then this one. Longest continuous chain first of all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the longest is 5. And of course you have to remember, just because you're going around the corner, it makes no difference, okay? That's part of the longest continuous chain. Remember, all your single bonds can swivel. Are there any branches then? Yes. There are 2 branches, okay? They're actually the same type of branch. Great. What side are they closest to? Well, this one here starts 1 away from this side, whereas this one starts 2 away. So we're going to number from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Because the branches are the same type, they're going to be added together with di. However, they both need their own number. So it's going to be 2, 3, because the first one's in the second one's in the third one. Dimethyl pentane.